Look around you, different things born out of truth and passion. Business software, it's our craft, our identity. Thoughtfully engineered, passionately designed to help you transform your business. Zoho, made in India, made for the world.
Very quickly, we've got Ravi Pandit, co-chairman at KPIT Technologies, waiting bar on the phone line. Ravi, hi, good morning. Sorry to keep you waiting. You know, the news flow just doesn't end at our end. But Ravi, first to your, what's really happening with KPIT right now. And, this really emerges from the kind of stock fall that we had yesterday. Despite strong deal wins, revenue conversion has been slower than expected. Tell me, what are the key bottlenecks right now for you?
We don't see any bottlenecks. As a matter of fact, whatever we had stated at our first quarter, at our last quarter's investor meet remains as it is. So I really don't see any reason for any significant variations.
Okay. And how is it that you plan to then accelerate the revenue burn rate, especially given the seasonal weakness in the third quarter?
See, we are in the beginning of a blackout period. So you can imagine, I can't talk of any numbers. All that I can say with certainty is that whatever we had spoken, at the last investor conference remains the same. I don't see any change in any of those, statements that we have made.
Understood. So this is Harsha. Let me also get a sense of
Yes.
new order wins trickling through and competition. Is there something that has changed, if at all, over the last maybe 3 months?
Nothing had changed. Nothing had changed.
Okay.
We knew what was coming. And we gave a proper guidance to all of you, to the market. And I don't see any change from what we have seen earlier.
So, Ravi, which of your verticals is the strongest performer right now? I mean, if you could just give a broad color, would it be auto, mobility, or digital?
No. So, as you know, we are probably the only ones which is very, very strongly focused on a single vertical. So, it is only mobility. And as we have said earlier, in addition to one segment of mobility, which is PAS car, we have also been working on commercial vehicles as well as off-highway, and we are seeing the expected traction in all these domains.
Okay. So, Ravi, do you still believe that H2 will be much, much stronger than H1, which was your original guidance?
Yes. We had said that H2 would be better than the H1, and we stand by it.
Okay. And the 15 to 20% constant currency growth also remains, and likely there is tailwind of currency as well to add to that?
I would like to, you would not want me to talk about any financials.
Sure.
During this blackout period, right? You appreciate what constraints and which we are all working together.
Sure. So let me talk slightly longer term. The kind of growth you've clocked has been impressive over the last few years.
Thank you.
Do you expect that to continue on this higher base as you continue to grow? 15 to 18% is what you've guided for. Can you push towards 20?
Again, no numbers, but I can say that, these are interesting times for the industry as a whole. The industry is changing significantly, driven by digital technologies, and we see a role for us in that. And we have done well, and we have contributed to this change or transformation in the industry, and we will continue to contribute to that transformation.
Does anything change on the margin front, given that AI is obviously starting to take center stage? Does anything change there at all?
No.
Okay. So no trends there either?
Absolutely not.
Okay, precious little to speak about. Thank you so much, sir, but for coming in and taking out the time and speaking to us. And of course, we'll see you at the end of Q2, and hopefully that interaction will be more broad-based.